It's 6:15 in the morning. Can't get to sleep because I've got hiccups. Hiccups. Go away. Okay, this is my first video with my iPhone 4S. So let's try this. I have to look at the camera. It is the 23rd of October. And if anyone knows any good ways to get rid of hiccups, other than not drinking fizzy drinks, please let me know. Seeing as it's 6:15 or 6:20, I really have nothing better to talk about right now. That's not right. That's not good. My hair is working against me right now. I'm wearing my Anna Maria Island t-shirt. Yeah, these videos don't go very well when they're not planned. Just hiccups.